AI drones. There's actually a flying revolution going on from the heart of Africa's jungles to the futuristic megacities. Drones powered by artificial intelligence are reshaping how we live, how we work, and how we survive. So I'm going to show you now, this is how AI drones are changing the world today and increasingly in the future. These are just some examples I'm going to show you. In the first example, in terms of AI drones, we talk about medical delivery. In remote jungles of Africa today, AI-guided drones from companies like Zipline deliver vaccines, blood, and medicine to villages unreachable by road. And even if it's reachable, it can do it much faster. AI reads the weather, it maps the terrain, and lands with pinpoint accuracy, mashallah. Number two, we can use AI drones to search for people and rescue people. For example, in Germany, rescue drones use thermal cameras and neural networks to detect survivors trapped under smoke or rubble, for example. AI identifies heat signatures in seconds, saving lives faster than ever, mashallah. Number three, we use AI drones already for food delivery, and it's already happening in China. For example, you order something and then it's sent to this kiosk, this robotic kiosk, and then you pick it up from the kiosk. My example is a bit extreme, is that actually delivers straight to the person, but this is just an AI generated video. So for example, just imagine in Singapore we have Grab's AI delivery drones weave through skyscrapers, monsoon rain to deliver meals safely and on time. And here we use AI navigation to keep every route stable whether it's rain or shine, mashallah. The fourth example is that we can use AI drones for fruit picking. For example, on some farms in Spain, they use AI fruit picking drones, which recognize ripe apples by color, size, and texture, picking them gently all day, all night. Basically, you can work 24 hours doing that job. So this is a very interesting approach to actually picking fruits. Another way to use AI drones is for firefighting. For example, in Dubai, AI fighting drones combat high-rise fires using heat mapping, wind sensors, and smart water control systems. Each drone calculates the perfect spray angle in real time, mashallah. The sixth example is air taxi drones. Yes, air taxi drones. You can find them in Arabic Emirates, in China and US. They're already being developed as we speak. Some of them are already ready, but of course they need to be tested more. So we will probably see them maybe at the end of this year, the beginning of next year. We'll see them actually in actual practice. It's basically the next evolution of travel, AI air taxis, basically using autonomous flight, radar, and they glide passengers safely through the skies, inshallah. The seventh example I want to show you is we're using AI drones for skyscraper cleaning or just cleaning buildings in general. Okay, you can imagine instead of humans hanging from the ropes, AI cleaning drones now can wash skyscrapers, can wash buildings with millimeter precision using they call it LiDAR mapping and path planning algorithms to handle every glass panel, mashallah. And number 8, I want to share a bit more relaxing, is called umbrella drones. Okay, in Japan we have them already. These drones use facial tracking AI to hover above you, keeping you shaded or dry like your own flying assistant, mashallah. And the final example I want to show in terms of AI drones is drone light shows. I think you're quite familiar with it already. You've seen already these shows, especially from China and so on. You have thousands and thousands of these drones flying together up and then doing amazing things. Basically, when the night falls, thousands of these AI swarm drones light up the sky, creating fireworks made of light and code. Each one follows an algorithm, but together they move like art. Wow. Alhamdulillah, I hope now you can see how AI drones are being used in various ways. It's basically the flying revolution. From jungles to skyscrapers, AI gives drones vision, precision, and purpose. Now that you've seen a little glimpse of what people are doing with these drones or AI drones, what about us? What can we do in Malaysia to be transformative? What can we just use this power of this, our imagination, our creativity, and do the most amazing things with our capability in terms of AI drones? Let's go!